Akihabara is by no doubt the cultural capital when it comes to games and anime culture. Now, if you don't know this by now, but recently in August, a new bar has opened up which allows for official collaborations between SNK and Sega. The bar that we're referring to is this bar, which is the Tokyo Video Games Bar. Now, you're about to see an exclusive look, so when you get to Tokyo, this is your chance. Come and follow us.
So apparently when you order a drink, it comes with like a cool souvenir, either like a glass with a coaster or a couple of coasters. Let's have a look and see what we can get.
Alright, so this place is pretty dope. They've got TVs inside the tables, which I noticed, which was awesome. I don't know if you can play the actual games on the TVs. And they got a bunch of old video games and they've got a bar, so I'm pretty excited to check this place out and just like have a good time here.
Like if you're a gamer, if you like video games, like retro, old school, whichever, or fighting games, this place is for you. Especially because there's a lot of themed snacks, drinks, food after different games. So you definitely want to come and check it out here in Tokyo, especially Akihabara. It's probably like the best spot. And you can play games for free. If you don't know that, if you don't know that, you can play games for free and hang out and get drunk. That's what I like about this place. And I died already, damn.
Alright, so you can see that these guys are playing King of Fighters. I actually don't know much about King of Fighters because I'm a Tekken kind of gal and I've never played King of Fighters, but it's such a classic. Like you'll obviously find a lot of people who are familiar with this game. And basically this bar has so many games you can play too besides King of Fighters, such as Rampage, where Marvin was playing at before over there.
When I was a child, I was playing the Street Fighter and Kunio-kun. Yeah, I heard that he is the first game bar in Japan. So yeah, I'm really excited. To enjoy here.
So the guys are playing a bit of a takoyaki game, the traditional Japanese game where apparently, how do you say this, there's like 8 takoyakis, or there was 8, and one of the takoyakis happens to be quite spicy, and that's like the Takoyaki Roulette. The rest of the guys have ate it. I'm the only odd one that hasn't done that yet, so let's try it out, shall we? It's choice of 2, really, the choice of 2. Let's go see how we go. I don't like spicy stuff, so if I die, I know whose fault it is. Oh! My nose is burning! Oh! Wasabi mo haitteru kara. Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so spicy! Oh my god, I'm crying.
I would recommend.
Okay. Do it. Don't check it out. Don't check it out. Yeah, the wasabi just instantly like hits you right in the nose. Right in the nose. Oh god. But good. At least yeah, I died. Yeah.
You came back to life.
Yeah, exactly.みんな聞いてちゃね、COVID-19 だから、COVID-19 でもないよ。
乾杯とマーヴェル。
乾杯。はい、ありがとうございます。
So we've been here for about an hour now. We've had a couple of drinks, we've played a couple games, and I've had my ass kicked a couple times on what I think is Street Fighter, but I don't know. But so far the bar has been really great. The vibe is really chilled, really relaxed, but incredibly fun.
Hi, can you believe it? This is FUGU. Yeah, the kind of sashimi. Yeah. I can't believe that the Tokyo Game Bar offers the FUGU sashimi. Yeah. This is amazing. Yeah.
So that pretty much ends our little escapade into the Tokyo Video Games Bar. So just a final thoughts, or final words from my perspective. The great thing about this bar is that it has a wide variety of food. It also has a wide variety. It also has exclusive collaborative drinks to some very special brands that I think that hold very dear. So that in itself is actually quite good. One of the bad things about this bar is that it seems to be more than expected. So if you plan to come here, don't expect anything that's wide-ranging, such as a special event. events. It is just a simple bar/restaurant in which you can come here with your friends and sit down. But however, let's not let that negative point take you away from the opportunity of coming here on your next trip to Japan. Because at least over here, it's comfortable, it's cool, but you also get a chance to play some very, very old school classic games. Anyway, that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching this episode of the Global Citizenship. If this is your first time watching our channel, we do special specific guides specific to areas where we focus on cultural, food, as well as travel guides that help you shape your itinerary and any of the destinations that you watch. Global Citizenship, sharing one story at a time. My name is Marvin. Thank you very much to the staff at Indor Inc. who managed this place, as well as Shu Kobayashi, and of course Kanazawa-san, who is the manager of this bar. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.